Clay McKinney Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to CSS for Developers, the part about color. And we are going to talk about hue. We've already talked about how to count in hexadecimal and how the RGB color wheel works. So now we're going to talk about how to manipulate these numbers to affect hue. Now hue is just, what color is it? Red is a different hue from green. So it's not about like how dark is it or how light is it, or is it a pastel, or is it a really vivid it's not about that. It's just about what part of the color wheel are we talking about, red, green, blue, all that stuff. Okay, so let's talk about hue. Let's see, I'm gonna take that out, and I'm gonna take this font size bit out, and we're just gonna mess around with the let's change the background color because it'll be more dramatic. All right, we'll just set this back to normal. All right, so let's close that. Okay, so these hexadecimal numbers, they start with a pound sign, and then there's 2 digits red, 2 digits green, 2 digits blue. So if we want it to be red, then we turn the red all the way on, we turn the blue all the way off. That's the green, actually. We turn the green all the way off, and we turn the blue all the way off. We save it, and we go over here and we refresh it, and now it's red. And you can see the red on my face. That's fun. Okay, let's do more. So that's red. If we do it instead, if we do no red, it's all the way off, it's zeros, and we do all the green and none of the blue. All right, any guesses what color that's going to be? You win if you said green. Green. Okay, so let's oops, sorry, let me organize a little better. Okay, so that was green. Now instead of doing that, we'll do this. So it's no red, no green, all the blue. Okay. All right, so those are your primary colors in RGB color. Okay, so you've got red, green, and blue. Now we can do our secondary colors. Red and green make yellow. Yellow and blue make cyan. Blue and red make magenta. Right? So that's what we're going to do next. Okay, so let's do red all the way on, and green all the way on, and blue all the way off. So it won't have any blue in it. All right, so red and green, you remember? Give you a second to think about it. Did you get it right? Yellow? Okay. All right, now let's do this one. Okay, so what's this? Red's all the way on, green's all the way off, blue's all the way on. So red and blue, do you know? Isn't that fun? It's fun. It's magenta. Okay, and then we need to do the other one. Let's see. We'll turn red all the way off. So green is all the way on, blue's all the way on. So halfway between green and blue, cyan. So that's all your primary and secondary hues in the RGB color wheel. All right, that's it for this lesson. Next we'll talk about saturation, and then we'll talk about brightness. Thanks.